We'll start our journey to learning machine learning for three parts: for supervised and unsupervised and for neural network. Just downloading the RStudio, go for cron. And cron is like a library for just what cron.r project. So I'll keep the link in the description below. All you need to choose is this is a cron is like libraries for downloading R and downloading the package that you need. So depend on the institute or universities, different are it may be different just on the packages. You need just to download anyone you like for example Australian, whatever. You go for R, you go for this is like download for Mac. If you work on Macs, you download R for Mac. But for our cases, we need to work on Windows, so download R for Windows and install R for the first time. I just click download and the download will be appear. For me, I just downloaded and I already have just simple download, next, something, nothing to worry about. And you don't need to worry about which country you have choose. Just choose any country you like. It's just maybe different in some packages. When after you download, you will have two things. You have this app it's called R. This is the version 4.51 in RStudio. This R we are not gonna work on. This is just the console. We don't have something to see the plot. We see the environment. We see something. So we not work on this R. We're gonna work on the RStudio. RStudio allow us to see our model and to do many different things. So for example, we have firstly we just I'm gonna explain this for Bart and we start from I will start a new video. So firstly, this is where we write our R script. So for example, just put hello and hello, this is my first comment. This is where, like for example, I put wherever the command, this is if x equal to 3 and you put. So if you need to work that shortcut to run instead of you just run this x, you have to run. When you run it, it will show you in the environment. We'll explain this for the purpose of the environment. If you need the shortcut, like for this is y equal to, for example, 5, you just put Ctrl and enter, so it will be directly executed and we'll see it in the environment. So if I put x, so x plus y now, x plus y have to be, if you put something capital and something is small, you'll have problem. Have to be just more specific. So whatever you write in here, this is the R script. You'll see it in the console. In the console where you see your work, you'll see your any command you run. This is very important part. So where you choose the R script, and this is the console part where you see your command and the execution of your command. We have in this part we have the environment and the history. Environment is wherever you run any variables, so you'll see the variable's name as a number or variable here as a vector. And also we have the history. This is where all the command that I ran before, so you'll see the history in here. You can save them and you can also just like that choose anyone you like and go to console. You will see in here, use them again, go to console, you'll see them again. So if you need them again, you will find all of them in the history. And also we have this part where you see your plot. When you use the GG plot, you will see all the plot in here, and this is very most important. We use the GG plot tool to plot our data. And this we have the packages that we need. So all the packages that we need to work on, and for example, if we don't have any package that that is not available yet, we go for install and we just put the package type like tidyverse for example, and he'll give you the packages in here. I go to cron and download it and install it immediately. So just the beginning. We'll start deeply from zero, building our first supervised machine learning is linear regression. We start one by one until we finish the supervised and go to unsupervised. So thank you for your watching. Please leave a comment and give like. We start our journey from beginning, so that's just the beginning of machine learning using RStudio, and we'll continue in the next video. Thank you.